Hi, Simona Cochi, just inside of the 22 pavilion. We are inside Made in Steel, and it's early in the morning. We're gonna attend one of the most awaited conference with the president of Regione Lombardia, the president of Confindustria Acciaie, many other super guests to celebrate the openings of Made in Steel. Still Human is the headline, so it means everything that goes again with steel sustainability, okay, I'm sorry for that, and iron industries. So as you can see from here, the people is just stepping inside, but this is a very quick overview of the place before it will become very crowded. So we have many different industries related to steel production, traders, manufacturers, distributors, and any kind of steel products. I think this is one of hot extrusion, profili acciaio in acciaio estrusi a caldo. That's nice. How they can shape any kind of metal, and the technology is one of the main topics along. We have to say sustainability and technology are the main challenges nowadays for steel industries. And as you can see, most of the names here around are from a fusion of different companies. And I think you can perceive absolutely the strongness and the, how you say, impegno, we say in Italian impegno, where they are really focused on their own business. They start with speaking business since the early hours of the days, and you see, you can also touch and admire single pieces of steel products. This, for instance, is Cable Steel Group, and I think is relamping. I guess it's Italian. Oh, that's nice. Look at this. That's amazing. I want to take a pic of this because I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's the hook they use for any kind of lifting heavy weights. I'm not technical, but I'm trying to do my best. And this is another company. I remind you, we are made in Steel. That is the Southern Europe best conference and exhibitions and trade meeting for steel. And Steel Life, they try to play a lot with the term of steel life, both steel, but we are gonna step inside siderweb conference room. It's called Still Human. This is the place to be now. 10:30. We are supposed to to report about this meeting, and it's for that reason that from here Simona Cochi reminds you to keep on staying tuned on the Italian Way YouTube channel, Fieramilano Raw, made in steel. Ciao!